fully active. One coloring book, one channel represent for Wrld TV. But here we go on now. Brand new movie. Yo, it just dropped on me talk like right now. Go check your time, go check your YouTube. You see me? And you see a movie in name Ungrateful.
Boyfriend.
Yeah man, you see you me attack? No, no you. Sorry my youth. You me attack. You see if you know you're ungrateful, watch a movie and learn. Big up the ladies them, we value them relationship and know say you don't take crap. But yeah, we not talk about the movie. Just remember to watch a movie and like, share, comment and subscribe and tell you what good and what bad. And here we go on, we want to big up some fans who are supported from day one till now, local and international. What's your name?
Yeah man, big up yourself, Claudette, and my mother, Carleen Finch.
Oh my God,
mommy.
Claudette. Yo, wanna liar. Yo, you Burger King a liar like mommy, big up yourself. One coloring book I represent. You see me? Chelsea, what's mommy name again?
Monica.
Oh, Monica. Her name is nice, don't you?
Monica.
Very
yes,
nice.
Monica, they always kind, you know.
I know some fans.
And they love Pop Barrel.
Fans, you know, loyal fans, you know.
Yeah.
Mommy, big up yourself here. One Wrld TV, one coloring book TV. You see me? And we represent all our fans. Boom.
Boom.
Man I like spend for my woman, you know. Me a man I like spend for my woman. If my woman treat me good, me treat my woman good. Look how me put her in a true relation.
Yeah, be.
You know, say other day one of my virgin go down a tax office. Say him a go register woman.
Register?
Yeah.
Me don't know about that.
Yes, babes. A man saying go take out papers seeing woman.
Paper. You know what more you take out for me?
What?
My ring for my finger will look nice.
Soon, baby. Me so put on a ring for your
So
finger.
how you want to take out papers?
Babe, listen, you know you're my main priority already, baby. Me don't want you to worry yourself. You're my wife.
B, speaking of wife and main priority. I see the other day when I come from my workplace and I come over Margaritaville.
Yo, listen me, I say, man. Remember who you talk to. You talk to me, keep down your hand down there, so. I want to you.
But me not like something. Something is bothering me. And when me a talk to you, you tell me how to talk.
Yo, you figure out who you talk to? Lower your voice, man. Don't do that.
But be you sitting me and tell you where you bother me and look how you jape me up on the
Because you
road.
know enough to talk to me certain way. You go to work and fix up back your clothes, baby. What you say now?
You come over work, what do you hear? Me see the girl. When I carry the lunch, come give me see she a look pious. So me attack her and say, hey girl, we all look pa my man for. And she can't talk about she and you used today.
Which girl that?
And me I feel nah up her face.
Which girl that?
You make me nearly lose my work, you know.
Which girl you talk
You
about?
don't know who you used today with over Margaritaville.
Shana.
Hey.
Then me and Shana in a long time thing, baby. I worry about Shana. Shana was in the past. Baby, I present. Shana in your league. You feel like I can't league
But
this.
be you know say me get jealous over you every time.
I know.
I mean know say you have your me. She know, then me, then you have your wife and your yard.
Just listen to me now.
It's too
My
much.
wife and me yard. I'm a wife and me yard. And you say anytime you talk about my wife and me yard, you put up your hand, you ask me permission. Don't talk about my wife like that. Put respect on her name. As me I tell you, you're my baby.
Be more like a permission.
What kind of permission you want?
Boy your wife.
What?
Promise me say you're not gonna leave me.
Baby, I not left you. I love you. You see this a heart, yeah?
Yeah.
I fear it. Put your hand right there, so. But hold on there. You're not my wife. You're my side chick. Yo, listen to me I say. You see girl upset to Shana. More you stay far from her, you know. Because Shana bad mind for your body, you know. And bad mind if you have a God in your life, you know. So I don't want you to worry about no girl on road. No girl test me, baby.
Me a want God, me know and I want to create. We are
Yo,
just...
come on.
Sis. This morning, no man.
What?
You alright?
You me alright?
I can't go up on the road, man. How you go?
No, I go nowhere really. Me just I go to work. Me just come home. 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 Let me still feel good. Wow.
Oh, you know, say I come over though to show you one pray though.
What?
So that's some sis. From when me I get some warning about you and this puppy that the brother-in-law me have. Me no like that band where you have cause he might abuse you. And then thing that no right for your sis. Much people see me in the streets and say, oh my sister, yeah me that, my sister this and my sister that. You no plan for left your boy?
You know, say, if you tell her the truth, me and him reason about it. Same like what me I thought now. And him promise me say he won't change to be. And me believe say he won't change. I just think he just needs some time.
But
I just time to think sometime.
But sister always tell me that. You keep on tell me that over and over and over. You go sick if you just you have him abuse you. Sis, and your man you know can't tell her what to do you know. And me not talk off the behalf say me I tell her if you left him. Cause I remember say everybody have their own mindset you know. But it's a boy when me not hate him you know. But me not like him. Just because in the abuse you. Look here. What is that, sis?
TB.
What is that? Don't tell me say I lick boy, I lick it.
We don't want argument at TB and him go about him business and me they argue with the man in fan me and fan and catch me. It's on purpose.
Sis, I don't think I always tell about you know, sis. I always pick up for the boy and I cover up things you know, sis. Sis.
Me nah pick up for him, TB. Just go easy now, brother.
I better say I make that boy that hurt you. And I miss said when I have to go defend that. Sister nah here and no one man out the man don't tap make for you.
Brother, no man not tap make for me and a donkey no bite me. Me just in a one serious relationship and me plan to give a little bit more time. That's all me I do TB.
Sis, I don't want to say cause you. I put myself in no trouble, you know. So let me know what you go do. Me say it earlier and I'm going to say it again. Me not hate him, but me not like him. And just because he over here abuse you. Look at the mascara, sis. Me say, come in and see her do makeup. Me know what I tell you do, you know. I try to cover up that. Look here.
It go fix, man. It go better. Just believe.
Fix you always tell me that, sis. Come on, no, sis. You're a big woman, you know, sis.
You change, TB. Just believe now. Ain't tell me say more change and me believe say more change. Me just believe say more change, TB. Cause me love him and that's why me know say more change. Me love him in a TB. And many man go through this over a period of time. Brother, me just know say man I go change at some point in time, brother. I'm go change.
Sis, and last week this happened, you know, sis. Over how much months now. I know you can't change.
More get him, man.
You don't say me going to leave your place.
You don't need to get upset until you go leave me place.
I'm going to leave your place. Because you come like something wrong with your sis. I know some mommy and daddy grow, you know. To make people like ill treat when I abuse you, you know.
Me hear you, me understand, bro. Me say more deal with the brother.
Sis, I'm going to leave your place. Sis, out of yourself or man, which one I rather or which one I love more? You see it? Same thing when me I want and I tell about. You can't give me an answer. You don't know who you love. I left your place.
Yo, bro. Me love you, you know, youth. Me love you. But I try not to understand youth. Me love him, you know. Me love him, brother. Me love him different youth.
Where's my side chick? You get taxi?
Hey, babe, me get taxi.
Alright, now say alright, just stay clean here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Man of the match, dog. Man of the match, dog.
One coloring book pan
Man of the match.
Where are the hell now?
Where's some side chick? You get taxi already.
Cool.
You know me, I'm not informer, though.
What's your man?
And when me see me talk, you know when me sit down at the bus stop.
Oh.
Side chick, you get taxi already, dog. Side chick, me sit down there, I get taxi.
Yeah, man, I work. She gone,
So
man.
what go on?
Thing, man.
You say you drop off of the bike.
Yeah, man. A normal pre-man we have life.
When you
God is
drop
the
off the bike,
greatest.
you in a white shirt, new shorts, bag,
Yo,
Jesus Christ.
You feel like me alone a spend for my side chick?
What?
She a spend for me too.
Why? Puppy Dan? Me know you not like when me I go say still in about.
Where you go say?
You know me
Me no fi have her. I know that you want to tell me, say.
No, me never said that, you know.
Oh.
Blaze up.
Sorry,
like
sorry.
A category 3 storm. I know you. Me I say good still, you know.
I'm here.
Me just a say. Me no say you finna have your side chick, you know. Cause side chick come like when you juggle the football
Yeah.
before you play the match. So you have to warm up. So you juggle side chick. Goal, you get what me I say?
Yeah.
But me just a say, you have to remember who come before the side chick. Cause them a good woman you have up a yard, I mean like when you treat him still in a yard.
Bro, what do you my youth?
Yo, and the next thing, bro, me not too like your friend them will beat woman and thump them in a then yay and them.
No, just talk and say you not like how me a beat woman. That you fi say. You're saying you like your friend them.
Me never said that. You said that, but you said it before me said that, but now me can't say it. Me not, you beat woman too much, man.
Let me tell you something in your life. You see when you're soft, the woman they not like you, or they take disadvantage of you. You see me? And deal with you like a boy. I'm a man in a relationship.
Yes, puppy.
So me have to deal with her like I'm a man.
Why? I from last year I beat woman. Sometimes I see woman pass. Hold on there. You want makeup factory gear?
What you mean by?
Me just say if you own up one makeup factory gear, cause when me know she never have a makeup factory. I know watch me, I watch you, but you man nice, cute. So me know why I put too much makeup on him face like him a hide something. Like him a hide bruises, scar, thump in a face.
Yo, you know say you know too much of my business though as my friend. You know too much of my business, you know.
So stop make your business come a road, bro. Cause when you beat the woman, you come a road. And
At that time, I tell her, so when me beat her, she feel lock up in her house and not come out.
you know what say?
Eh? What you mean? When prisoner they are jail cell, they come out until the time come?
So hold on there. You know say you have good prisoner and bad prisoner. You know say you have people that are prison who not deserve that are prison. And you have people that are prison who are guilty, who are supposed to do that. Make me tell you something. Me say that we say this. You see the woman who you have up in your yard, in deserve in your life, in deserve in your house, but on one thing you not deserve in a puppy dan.
Brother, listen man.
You not deserve the hammer.
Me not like when me go in there and she they tell me say me they road it woman. Not tell me that. Yeah, me know me give her bun in her pass and me cheat pan her and me a whole heap of woman pan her. But she have to just understand the ball game and just know say yo, puppy dan is just puppy dan if you have one bag of woman.
You never catch her cheat?
Whole heap of time.
So what happened?
No, bro, me just talk about her and just put her on the bed and just work her and she forgive me and I eat that. Because she love me, so you know, say anything what me do, she just forgive me. You know?
Boy, you know, say me the bro got the Prime Minister, big nose one. I say some new robot will come in Jamaica. You know, say me I want them, none of them escape and I want them with. Because there is no way a woman can have sense and a human be. That woman is a robot. If you all of the thing them where you put him through and he can't take them. And still I go on tomorrow next year.
I just love you. I just love me love her. And me always tell her, say me I go change. You see me, so she just wait for me if it change.
Me talk me peace. No bex with me just talk me peace. So one more thing more I ask before me cut. Man of the match. So you beat side chick too?
Sometimes she get him man, but side chick.
He get beaten, look while I rough up, because I see him face not look too popular, you know.
No man, a while ago me have to girth her, you see me, cause one girl up a Margaritaville, me normally chat to your name Shana, put pay things in her head, so me have to make sure you know say no talk.
Shana when brother get locked up because he got thief goat.
Right.
Shana with the big body where you and him in a chat and you left him because them a 4 man have him in a car and...
Right. Remember the video they come out?
Up the same work?
Up the she a work.
Jesus Christ.
So me have to make you know say yo, stop watch Shana, how I'm telling man.
Me know say you... No, are you woman or your side
me
chick?
Side chick.
Me know say something wrong with your side chick. His face not look pleasant. He look like, you know, when the artist in a trend, I say his face look like in a trend. Every man in the past, high coloring book.
No man, me have to rough her up a while ago, man.
Well,
I say I have to rough
man
her up and put them in their place.
Me uncle say still big up yourself. Out of love, man of the match.
Boy yo,
Put on yourself.
you just in my business and you know no woman, you know. You come like you have to take up Shana. Because you worry about my business and you know no woman. Stop worry about my business, youth. Although me and your friend, you worry about my business too much, youth. Go look at a woman and come out of my life.
You know, so then look about your face, eh? From your piss can burn grass, that's how you deal with me. You know the reason why I don't have no woman, because them a woman that want kick and box. I mean, I want kick and box, no, you know. You know, so I want a woman that want kick and box. But you know, so you come like a that the woman in love. You have to go over bridge because say me can't find one. Because you come like in love with kick and box like a puppy than a deal with inside chick and his wife.
Yeah. So man actually know say me love him make puppy than a behave, so you know. No long puppy gone pan the road. I look pan the time and know a man can't reach back here yet.
A bag of girl run down the big belly youth. How you expect me to do?
Yo, where you come from?
How you talk to, sir?
Are you me a talk to? Where you come from? Look how long, I better say one chicken head girl out the road with
Yo, I'm tell you this, man. Sit down here, sir. Sit down here, sir. Don't come talk to me, sir. I run if you run, come hug me up and say, babe, how was the day? You come and come ask me, say, where me I come from. Don't ramp with me, hear me I tell you? What kind of girl you talk about man out the road with? I'm a dog them out the road a drink to rum and a normal. You see me I know man out the road? Yo, so me tell you this, you say anytime you see me step in your house, you approach me better. Run if you run and come hug me up. You look about breakfast? Are you me a talk to you? I say if you look about breakfast.
Think cow and rice me cook. Tin cow and rice in your kitchen.
What kind of thing cow and rice?
Tin cow, you know name bully beef. And that me cook.
Yo, me no want no bully beef, you know. A mackerel and rice, me want, you know. Me no want that, you know. So you try to go look boy mackerel for me. Me no want that. You see, anytime you go look about anything in your house, you call me and ask me what me want to eat. You know, cook what you feel like me or go eat. And that me I try to tell you. Yo, sit down there, man. Me I talk to you and kiss
You
your
know see
teeth.
you want mackerel and rice.
Don't do that, me no finish talk to you. Don't kiss your teeth off of me.
You said me go cook tin fish and then you tell me to sit down. What you want?
You know, say you have some style of me really and truly not like. Every time me dep on the road and me come back in, you gotta tell me say I'm a woman out the road. Eh? Me not tell you say me a change. You know say you me love you. Me not another woman out the road. You are my number one. You are my one and only. Stop worry about other girl out the road. Them not nothing over you. You are my pride and joy. No girl out the road test. You alone, me say.
Alright, babe, calm down. I know so we start off on a bad foot, but I'm just worried because I don't know where you're there and you're gone for so long. So me there and me argued myself, so me come out some type of way. I'm sorry about it.
Babe, me get what you're saying because of how me treat her in I pass. You see me? How me full of girl and always a cheat on you. So every time I go on the road, every time I come back in, I feel like a woman me out there with. Right now, I can call all my brethren coloring book and
You
put
no
it
need
on
to do that, man.
speaker
It's alright.
and show you say, yo, me and coloring book out the road, I will a drink and something. Me ain't there nowhere, me ain't there no girl yard, me ain't there talk to no woman, babe. Me I tell her, say, me I change it, me I take time to change, man. Just give me some time, babe.
Alright, I'm gonna look about the food for you.
Alright. Look about you and then make me deal with it in the bedroom. Slim body there.
Man of the match, dog. Man of the match, dog. Man of the match,
See
dog.
dog, coloring book.
Yo! What go on?
There man, I go.
There you bad dog. What up?
No, say me probably never raise it, but
True.
the brethren puppy dan. You know
Man of the
say
match.
joke thing at the pan.
No, man. A man of the match, me call him, but you call him Puppy Dan.
Oh, man
yeah.
of the match.
Yeah, my daddy.
Oh, me never know. But still,
So your brother-in-law, you don't know that. A brother-in-law or sister-in-law. Oh, yeah, brother-in-law. So your brother-in-law, you don't know say name man of the match. But anyway, what go on now, me killer?
one thing stop abuse my sister. Even though my sister a big woman, one thing stop abuse my sister, bro.
And that a go on?
Be abuse him and abuse like it's an abusive boyfriend my sister have over there in her house, bro. If
on
your sister have a man, right? And a be a butter bros she have get from her man, what you wanna do?
Hold on there. Me nobody said this to nobody else still in about. When me I go to school, me sit down in front or block me in the middle, but what abuse me? Like you cheat pan him or you fight him? Which one of them?
Fight.
Oh, him a beat him.
Ma beat him.
Oh. Me no know say Jay do that, man.
Better be a beat him and over there beat up my sister, brother.
Then that no good, man, and him and your sister come from far and anything, no, man. A matter of fact, and you far them a come from, a fool them a come from, you know? Fool. Jesus
tell her,
Christ,
brother,
them
yeah.
have to talk to Puppy Dan,
My
man.
brethren want to talk to him cause
So no disrespect like how your brother-in-law. You never talk to him yet about it.
really and truly. And I like say me no hate him, you know. But me just don't like him, so me no have nothing to do
Yes,
with him.
I true, cause watch you now, no. Me no hate him neither. But me no like what you tell me saying, do. Him a beat your sister. Your sister no deserve that, he deserve better. Your sister deserve better on Valentine. Oh
That's
God, man.
true. And you know my sister a long time, you know, and your brethren, you know, apart for years now, bro.
You know what say? The only time, you know me I watch movie where you say one man a cheat on a woman. And when man a cheat on a woman and deal with them so and beat them, you know me I want the puppy than a cheat on a woman. You feel them a cheat on a woman?
Boy, me no know, you know. And that's not my business.
Well, like a true.
My sister no underage, you know. My sister no
A
young,
big
you know.
woman, a big woman.
Big woman.
But me kind of get your levels of situation. Cause if my sister and a man a beat him, you know. Well, we not talk about the cheat part, cause I'm one big man. Me not go feel good for no some man a beat my sister. Me can't feel good about that. Me have to go talk to Puppy Dan.
Are your friend, man? Talk to him,
Yeah, man, me I go talk to him, man. And when me talk to him, me I go forward black and tell you say me talk to him and me I go tell you what he say. If me can't remember everything, I want a new iPhone. So everything when me can't remember, me just tape it down in the iPhone and come back and tell you everything. Cause me no like that, bro. I know say me not call him man at the match again. A boy at the match now.
Yeah, man, talk to him,
Yeah, man.
Him not turn up to your responsibility. Only thing you want to do is just beat my sister, bro.
Yeah, man. You know say if you get bench in the match, if you get bench, you can't beat your man a bench him forget. When time I talk to him, I tell you,
All right.
bench him forget. Can I style that you beat your woman, boy, your man I matter. Bench you forget.
Hello? Hello? Where?
Yo, where is so long?
We don't have mini mart, on a supermarket.
Don't necessarily so long. As long as you take something to come up.
I don't reach down here no time, B. I just come in the supermarket and I look some seasonal and something to make tea and them something there.
Yo, don't ramp with me, okay? No, me come up and man.
I want me to you, make you can't relax yourself. I say I'm in a supermarket. I tell you, I'm in a supermarket, me there where you behave so far. Me in a supermarket.
Yo, come on from the phone, man. Don't you hear that?
I want me to you, so. So stop with Jenny, drink and boots up yourself. I tell you, I'm in a supermarket, you kill out yourself. I want me to him. Sense.
Oh, that Chelsea.
Hi, morning.
What's up?
What happened?
There, man.
You alright?
Yeah, man, you alright? Long
Yeah.
time I not see you.
There, man, me I grab some stuff to go back up at your house.
Alright, just bless up yourself here.
Alright.
You'll be general for me here.
Yeah, me do that.
Yeah, man, out aloud.
Manners.
Every time. Why? I tell you what. Mama look stressed out. Why? All she has said she alright, but she not look alright, you look stressed out. As Puppy dancer for them business that. My business. Man as my father. Yeah, man, respect. How much for that? 190. Why? 190. Only for respect. Yeah, man, manners here.
Yeah, man.
You something name again? Straw.
Yeah, man.
Sucking instrument.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Orange juice me I talk about here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, respect here. Yeah, man.
Hey, dog. Call on, but I want to talk to you. Beg you 1 minute, please. No, sir.
Hold on. Me don't want people to feel like when they see me I use straw, them get the wrong idea. Man fi act like man.
Yeah, a sucking instrument.
Yo, only for the orange juice, nothing else.
Juice only.
Just the orange juice.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Anyway.
what now?
You don't have me yet. I want to talk to you about something.
Mama, you drop.
No, drop me drop.
Oh, show me see your face kind of
I
blows
me
up.
stop you to talk to you about. Puppy Dana go on with himself and he'll treat me. Everything is an argument or a fight. In a supermarket me there a while ago. You don't see me in a supermarket?
Yeah, I did.
Me there I do nothing wrong.
me see you. Well, at the time, I didn't see. I
Me
do
go
nothing
pick
wrong
up
at the
some
time.
things to use up at the house to make him food. And him in a place I go on and when we come down, you come lick me in my face. Make sure it's a supermarket me there.
So
And me
when you
no.
tell her that in a supermarket?
Yeah, on my phone and
Oh,
me here.
him call up on the phone.
Yeah, and I threaten me and
Oh.
a supermarket me there and I like me I do nothing wrong. Me not gone nowhere. Just a supermarket me come.
Why, Chelsea?
And I go up at me yard, me know one argument I go up
You
there.
know what me feel like? You see, when you season up chicken, you don't put the whole of the sauce. The customer say, I go want it back over and over. At that reaching a relationship, you know, you give him the whole
Put
of
too
the
much
sauce.
sauce pan it.
But on a big man level, Puppy Dana beat you.
Yeah,
So how long Puppy Dana beat you?
long time.
Jesus Christ. So Chelsea, well on there. So you get beat now, you sit down in the relationship before you turn up in the relationship, Chelsea.
But I think I sit down, I think I drop me job down.
So all along when me say I make up on your face and them thing there, I just because him a beat you and a thump in your face and you hide the bruises and them thing there.
Yeah.
Oh God, who does that?
You know, so I don't know. I think I don't sit down in this relationship.
I know.
I look like I can't stand up no time, so I think I drop down in this relationship. I found somebody who drop down can behave so.
So let me ask you something. So you not tell your brother?
My brother come talk to me about it. What
your brother say?
Him not like it, him not like his style and
But nobody who no like it, call me just a ear.
Oh God.
You know, so me just a ear. Me no know, you know. Me just a ear. Me ear from a morning, man try to talk to him.
You know, see, Bridget, that's why I stop you to talk to you. Because I want to ask you to talk to him.
So I'll just thump you too.
A fight, we a fight and him might hurt me.
So what you want? What you want me to do? What you want me to do?
See if you can counsel him to be talk to him because everything me do is a problem.
Counsel him? Well, me never really do good at guidance counsel, you know. Not tell you the truth. But me can't talk to him. That alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
We alright with that.
A 5 minutes with you talk, you know. Hurry up and go, please.
Yeah, because I know say a fight when we go up a fight.
Run, Chelsea,
yeah,
run.
Yeah, but I run on about a walk.
Yeah, alright. Jesus Christ, Father God. Look at her girl, sit down and take lick. Eh? Father God, this a girl, I so love stay. If I so love stay, me no want to fall in a love, much less drop in a love. Why ain't good? It come like when me talk and me if you listen. Cause me tell you something and it come like say you no listen.
B, what kind of excitement is there in my man?
What you mean what kind of excitement?
Right.
Look pan how long you take down a road and come back with this a little bag here. Eh?
So you know what, this something to look about in the house?
Too long you take down there so I feel like I whole supermarket here buy. And I feel like you come here 2 big bag. And this a little bag you come back here with.
So you have to out the door behave so you can't go in the house.
No tell me what to deal with my thing. You know you have to ramp with me.
You know, say right now I mini-mart, that's how I go and I saw you behave and I don't know how long time I left out of
you see if it take
down
3 more minutes longer to come in I don't have mini-mart, me can use it. Slap off your face down there.
That necessary
and
for
if
what?
Police run up in night, me slap off in face and go to jail.
Yeah.
I saw me stay.
Oh, when you go on the road, you don't want me to behave no way.
Yo,
and
listen.
right, that's how I go.
Listen me. Don't tell me nothing about when me go on the road. A why man? A yeah man? Who are the man in the house? May I ask you, why man in the house?
Are you?
So what you can tell me about when me go on the road for? Me go on the road when I feel like. Come back when I feel like. So you don't tell me when to left.
Okay, sir. Sorry about that.
I dominate the down there, watch.
I go in the shop to go buy what I buy and the man them out on the front to play them domino. I don't play domino. So I watch domino game. I go buy something to look about for your eat.
Yo, listen to me I say. And listen to me good. You see when me send a go a shop, you come back for my timing. So you see if you're good on there, and people in that shop, you tell them, say, listen me, hurry up and serve me, because my man will beat me. So you tell them, I make them know, so if you let you out. So if you line long down there, make them know, say, oh, you serve me before everybody else, because my man I go beat me if me take long. Make them know, because I no play.
I don't know why you have to out the door and create so much excitement and a go on with yourself. Or some stuff you drink today and boot up yourself. You know, say neighbody might hear with.
Me I talk to you,
Your neighbody might hear with. You can't go in the house. And I like me do nothing wrong. And you me catch a cheater no. More than 1, more than 2 times, you know.
Babes.
I mean never go on none type of way more than me talk to you
listen
about
to me, I know you catch me a couple times and cheat. But me explain to you and me tell you say me sorry. Me never want to do it, but me end up do it. But me sorry say me do it.
Yes, but you get yourself in a bangarang people all the time. Every time you go nowhere, come and create excitement like me, I do something wrong.
Yo, listen to me, I say, man, you chat too much, man. Yo, go on in the house and take off your clothes. Me I come in the car and deal with you. But the girl I can't chat, so. At that time, problem, you know. In chat too much. At that time, I now start box her up so much. Yo, set good. Hold on there. Me, Puppy Dan, we are a real bad man. Can't out us behave like me a yard boy, a rake yard. And my girl in there so lay down on bed. Man, a man I match, you know. Yo, Chelsea.
Yo. 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 Alright, you now wake. Turn this till me forward. Yo, get up off it.
I want to, yo.
I lucky, you know.
What do you mean? Lucky with what?
I dash me down, dash water upon you. Cause how long me awake you? Cause you lay down like you don't want to get up. I want to tell you, me tell you to stop ramp with me, you know.
You know, say, you go with yourself, though. A long time you go with yourself and me just sit down in it, you know. Because I love you and care about you, and I do everything for you. Everything. You wash your clothes, me cook your food, me clean your house, me rake your yard, and in one no time you that hurt me. Because I don't try to get someone say rake your yard, so you be a base, I really want to go throw water upon me. But you don't love and care about me. I sleep up in and you go throw water in a bed. In a free bed where you woke me out so much. Last night over 2.5 hours. And I get up early this morning and do some things in my house and I just feel like me that hurt me and go lay down and I say, you want to deal with me?
Let me tell you this. Man a man in a yard. Man a man in a match. Me not supposed to feel rate in a yard. You see me? And you feel do them the things. As a matter of fact, my clothes they want to wash, bro. So right now, I tell us, do what you do and go wash my clothes them in the youth. And that me I tell you, you know.
Everything for you. I just want to take a 5 to go wash your clothes them. I know say your clothes them dirty and they in a large if you wash. But you go get to it. You don't have to tell me say.
Listen to me I say. Do all I work them in a yard first and then you go sleep.
You have to do your yard work and do your housework at one time.
Don't talk, you know.
Housework and just a 5 minutes take to go out the door.
Me say me don't talk. Don't make me come back here and my clothes then I wash.
I'm in a bed where we are sleep. We are real water.
Yo, take care now, Ty. Take care now, Ty. I'm dash in your face.
Puppy down. You really are gone. And you don't need fear, babe. So you know, so I love you and care about you. I love you, you know. And all the time, I give you a chance in my life when I do my things. Because I love you and care about you. But you know, so I wonder if when my friend them say to me on road and want my brother tell me, say, I really true. Like me can't think past my big toe because I wear all my love.
Yo, so let me ask you a question. Are your brother or your friend them out the road run a relationship? And me run this, no boy nor no girl. You hear that? Even you.
I understand, but we need to start listening to what they want to tell me. Because maybe it makes sense. And me, I big Google bat. Yeah, I mean, I hear me, I mean, I have no sense. Because me, I run there and the more that things you do me, and every time you tell me, say, you're sorry, you do them. Man.
Yo, the best thing you do is tap your knife. There, me hungry. So look about breakfast and straighten up your bed. And make sure some my clothes then wash. Yo, what matter of fact, you feel I'll carry out that too. Hear me I tell you. Take that out of your house. And do what you're supposed to do.
Okay, I want a whole bucket of water coming in my place. You wet me up when I'm sleep. And then I left it in your son with you. You have the heart to left a bucket of water and say, me if you carry it back out the door. You really don't need me no good puppy then. And you're going to the mood. And me can't believe that. You know how long my friend them talk to me? My brother upset with me, my friend them and me. I fall out of our friendship because I sit down with one man who abuse me. He push me go, he push me come. Every time I try to talk to him about the argument and fight. And as I say nothing out of my mouth, I lick in my face. I get tired of this, you know. I get tired of this because I really don't need to sit down in a relationship but put up with this or with no man. And I me love him and him love me. I can't say me sleep and him and nearly wet me up and I sleep with one bucket of water.
See how long me I call this one here. Me say anytime I see him, one nick me I give him with the phone in my head. Come here if he not no style. Look for me I wait for him.
Yeah, why pray?
Won't be walking.
Yo, take care out of my face, man. I know something I like that. I don't like when the man ramp with my face, you know.
Sabi, me can't touch you no more.
Yeah, but I don't like when you play up on my face. I don't like it.
Anyways, look how long me I wait for you. Look how long me I call you.
Yo, me sleep well, you know.
Sleep where?
That's all I see, all the missed call too. But yo, you know, so anytime when you call my phone, and when you ring my phone one time, you don't get me enough for your call on my phone. You must run my woman me there.
So here
you don't know, say if you have respect.
Sabi, me not have respect, but you have to understand.
Understand what? When you call me one time and you don't get me, you don't call my phone again. Around my woman me there. Wife or wife and side chick. Don't play with me.
Be you know say you know fear treat me say every time we come on the road you haul and pull me.
Yo, you know say you don't know your role though. You don't know your role, you know. Right now I feel like a fire, me for fire, you know.
Be when you talk about fire and then now, you see, you make me start to get love you. Me no feel like no side chick no more. Me feel like wife. Cause you make me get to love you now and then now you deal with me like me not no sense. See, even yesterday me I come for work. And I see coloring book and I look at me and I say, Jesus, Sean, I see you look stressed. I would drape you up and dirty up your shirt. Every day you come and you embarrass me.
So me ask you a question. What you do? Carry my business go a road?
No.
Oh, you could have known some jape up. Now must you tell him.
Son of your friend too.
But me not tell him my business. So you come like you tell him. You see anything will happen here so with me and you, it stay right here so.
Be no put your hand on my face.
Me say anything happen here so with me and you, it stay here so. And anyhow me hear my business a road again, me fist out one of your teeth them. Yo, you know what? Let me tell you something. You know what? You don't understand the side chick role though.
Me no want to understand.
Listen to me I say. Listen to me I say. Remember so when you meet me, you know. You meet me and me have one bag of girl, you know. And me drop off them girl, you know. And me bring you come up at the first place in the side chick position, you know. You see me? But you hackle up yourself. You don't know if me I go graduate you. And when me graduate, I bring you come a wife section in the next few years from now.
Achubi?
Yes.
You going to be wife?
Yeah, but you need to just calm down yourself.
So now that if you say all
You just hackle up yourself too much.
Me not hackle up myself no more.
So what you say upon now?
Babe, me a go to work. I mean, want you to follow me go but stop Jesus. Babe, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, let me tell you something. You see right now, you violate the law, you violate the first commandment. So you see what go on now, or you want to go walk good on a bus park. Me not walk with you, you want to walk good on there.
Babe, but me no feel good for morning, me as my depa me.
Me say, or you want to walk good on there. So you try to find and walk in a one cool shade good on there, walk in the sun.
Be just follow me now, please.
Yo, you don't have no money in your bag, baby.
Be me tell you say me as my depa me I talk money. Only money me have in my bag and me taxi fare and my lunch money.
You know, because you know I love you and something, you know. Give me your lunch money and just keep your taxi fare.
So be with me I go eat.
No man, up I work, man. When I work up at a place, man, they no give free lunch, man.
So you go follow me?
So, you know, I show me love you and you tell me say you asthma depend. Come and follow you halfway. Come on. Alright, later, here.
Be right there, sir.
No halfway, me tell you say I follow you. Walk go on a bus park, no brother.
But I'm not halfway this, sir.
Walk go on a bus park, halfway me tell you say I follow you.
You not even take 3 more my money.
Go on where you go. I'm a bus up head. Go on, man, follow him, go a bus park. You know, say a minimum puppy than me, a man I match. No man can program my head. I'm to him, man. He that brother-in-law, this is for the boy not like me, you know. He that favor gully bop. I move like a maddy mad, so I'm mad. How deep?
Hello. Me can't talk to you right now. Me up on the road I deal with something. Yeah, me soon call you back.
Man, I just can't talk
Alright.
to you like my police. Yo, how do they use?
Sure. Puppy Dad,
Yo.
I want to talk to you now, brother. As
Go
a
on.
man to a man, I want to talk to you, bro. My sister, I want to talk to you, bro. I like how you deal with my sister.
Talk me, I hear.
And my sister and I hear a woman, I'm not supposed to tell her how to deal with that woman, but I not accept you abuse my sister, bro. I not accept that, bro.
Watch your father. You see your sister on a 2-year-old, your sister on a 10-year-old, nor 15-year-old. Your sister a big woman. Your sister 28 years old. So you see all of when me I do to her and she feel like she want to stay night, I fear a decision. You see me? So you have to just suck the saltly and know say just she want to make the decision there and you can't make the decision for her. And furthermore, me no want a man to come tell me how to deal with my woman youth. I tell me
Bro,
tell her
but
that.
my sister, you know, bro. My sister,
Me
bro.
know say I hear sister but by any idea, me and her in a one relationship. So you have to just know, bro. But watch you know. Me understand as what you say, you know, say I hear sister, you know. But she not come and tell you when she a beat me. She only a tell you when me a beat her. Remember it's a relationship, you know. We cuss, we fight, we make up back things. She not come and tell you when we happy. She only a tell you when she's sad.
Bro, she not tell me nothing, bro. I want me see, bro, for myself, bro.
Alright, so she not tell us that she put scare upon me too. She
Where's-
not tell us that she
where's
suck
Scarly?
off me neck and left icky panny. I threw me black make you not see it, you know. So no cuss about the scare me gear. Although me no gear it harmful, you know. Sometimes we all have do we thing in the bedroom and me all say, ease yourself. and my hand crawl. Me not do it like me well want do it. Me just do it because me did have to do it.
Bro, me no business with the icky, you know, bro. Or your sneaky, you know. Or your nicky, or your ricky, anything where you want to call, you know. A fear on our business, that, bro.
And that's why you know fi fall in our business.
Bro, me not
accept you as a brother-in-law when you rate me though. Cause me know you no rate me because of how you hear out the road say me a deal with your sister, how she tell us me a deal with her.
But Puppy Dan feels Puppy Dan, me not hate you, know. Me just not like you, bro, because me not accept how you deal with my sister, bro. Me not like that, bro. A man-to-man thing, bro. Tell me if that right, bro. If I did me there with your sister, how you would have feel?
Yo, listen to me, I say, you know what your problem? You know no woman in your yard to keep your company, so that's why you're out on the road, so. Go look at woman and have a life and love me your sister, youth.
I true me now put myself in a no problem for my sister, you know, bro. When me not do something, you know, brother.
You feel that's how you go. Anything you can do, me can do it back here.
Alright, me now say already. Continue to deal with my sister, so.
And me and your sister lay down in a bed at night time, so stop worry about that. I want you to come and come make problem so like you feel like
Continue to deal with me, so.
Hey boy, go look at a woman and come out of my life, here. Me a bad man. Me Puppy Dan sister. In gone. Jesus Christ. You serious it's true? No sir, me can't go for yard. Can't take it. Problem in my life. You girl them like box and kick and kick.
Sean, sorry man. To me I want me guard watch so me never see you.
Oh,
Yeah, guard watch, you know, see people if people not see you. You know? Time. Yeah, guard watch. You don't really know about that stuff.
Oh.
What go on, you alright?
you hear me there? You know, say, come here. Cause you know you shall veil.
Yeah, true.
You know, say, God know.
Hold on, so I'm actually come here, so. Yes.
You know, say, big man thing. You know, me really want to talk to you about it kind of go sound funny because I'm relationship wise. You see, you have one friend named Puppy Dan.
Oh, man of the match.
What name?
Man of the match.
A Puppy Dan name?
Well, you call him Puppy Dan, me call him man of the match.
You have a friend named Puppy Dan, aka Man of the Match.
Yes.
Him not treat me good and me can't bother with him no more. Him just stress me out, him aggish me, him push me in my face, him drape me up and he don't care when him a do that.
Hold on. Me kinda lost, so me go ask a question. A relationship thing you talk about, not sure?
Yes!
Not sure a relationship thing that man. That's a relationship go good, bad and ugly.
No, it's not good, bad and not ugly. Look for me good. Not saying you look for your friend woman.
No, me not do that. Me not do that.
Alright. If you have a slimmers like me then.
You can look now?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
If you have a slimmers like me then, you would treat her good.
Well,
Even if she your side chick.
well, me never have a side chick and me never have a slimmer, but me not really look for you, but it look like you are a good woman. It look like.
You know, say Puppy Dan treat me like it worse, like me not deserve love. Me want them sitting do me. Or my mother sitting rub off for my mother and rub off for me. Cause me salt with man, you know.
Can't touch you?
Yes.
Sean, maybe. But Sean do not understand as a female, you know. You know, you see when you end up on the side, what then call you again? Side.
Me is not a side
Alright,
chick.
my apology, but like overall, woman end up on the side. When you end up on the side, people call them side chick. Not you, me, no, me not talking, you know, because you are not side chick. But me just say when them end up on the side, whatever they get them off to take till them.
So you're the Puppy Dan side?
No, me not up on Jesus Christ. Alright, listen me. Puppy Dan wrong for your beat, you know.
Yes.
And abuse and you want nice
Right.
girl, you know. And
Right.
if me and Puppy Dan and a friend and me and you have a relationship, me no beat you and back abuse you, you know.
Right.
You want nice, but you don't deserve that.
Exactly.
So me up on fear side. You understand? What else in though?
And then now, he want to take me lunch money all the time when me a go work. I don't want to follow me go bus stop.
So you know for you come a bus stop this
No.
morning. That's why me no see him on the road.
And he take away my money
You take away your lunch money. So you don't have taxi fare.
and push me. No.
I love thing them that man. But what you want me to do? Cause me no really want to go in that business. Cause I'm tired to customer. What you want me to do?
Me just want you know,
Talk to
talk
him.
him into me.
So you already? You never going in here yet?
Me no mean that way.
Oh.
Me like talk him into me so we relationship.
Oh, if you stop beat you.
Yeah. I see one of them there when you did see me down a bus park.
Oh, other morning. You come call to you and you come like you never answer.
I trained the girl me up and shoot me.
Oh, you girl you? Like drape you?
Girl drape me.
Like so? Or so? Oh, sorry.
But you do it like puppy
No,
dance
Miss
too.
Norman, sorry. So make him drape you up on the road. Sorry.
Yes. So in drape me and this morning now he box me. So every morning is a new routine.
Why, Sean? Me no want to say much, but you remember when you go to school? Well, me remember when me go to school. I have all 10 books in your bag and then give you, what's something name?
Where you talk? Timetable.
Timetable. Boy, Sean, me not tell a lie. Puppy Dan come like you have your timetable. Monday morning a box down, Tuesday morning a kick down, Wednesday morning a drape up, Thursday morning you take all your money.
You know, so me not really like how you talk like it's a good thing, puppy than
You name make me done, you know. Friday morning you love up here and then Saturday morning you apologize and kick you down.
And take me money.
You know you don't deserve that, Sean.
No.
You don't deserve that. But me not tell you for left and my business that me just say who feels it, knows it. But you come like you knows it. So me I go talk to him for your ear. One more thing.
Me knows it as in. Me knows it.
No, like you know what go on and you still a work with it. So me I go talk to him for you. But listen me. Puppy Dan, me and him come from four, you know. You know. So no tell him say me you talk, you know.
Oh, you and him not come from far.
No, me and him not come from far. Far right down there, so we see car. Me and him come from way over Westland Mountain. Four me and him come from. Four.
So like how you and him come from four, me have me trust in him.
Well, you know good to put trust man. Put trust in a man and just say puppy Dan a back sit down and kick you down. Take out the back. You understand?
I put my faith in you.
That sound better, because if you drop, it's not my fault. So me talk to him for you, here.
Alright,
Have a nice day now.
Mm-hmm.
Lord God. You know, say people in the community soon say me a old fridge. And then when they say me a old fridge, now they say me a washing machine. They ma come tell me them business now, you know. I make it look like I'm me, I come ask them, you know. I mean, I love people business, you know. Eh? Father God, boy.
Yo, I told me no one go to prison for that boy in the car. Every time my sister kick off, they're gone back.
Bad bro.
Yo, me can't take care.
Yo, my father.
Yo, where are you, bro?
What go on?
Yo.
You know, say no disrespect. I early me get up this morning, because you know, saying ask me for talk to the G for you. Boy at the match. Yeah, boy at the match. So me not see him this morning, so I go right now go talk to him, because when somebody ask me to do something, me like do it. So I go up there right now go talk to him.
Yo, me talk to him already, man. Talk to him already. You know, say boy come and show badness to me.
You see him?
Me see him not too long. The boy come and show badness and me fi go look at woman and me can tell him what fi do.
But if you go look at woman, you have woman. You don't have no woman.
Boy, me don't want to talk about that. Me don't want to talk about that colouring book.
I see you something. I true.
Brother, I told me no one wear no orange suit, you know, because JLP, me say, no, if me did say PMP, me would have mash up that boy and go to prison, you know.
No man, you have mix me up, man. What you talk about? You talk about your sister and man of the match or paint you and
I talk about man of the match.
Oh, man of the match, yeah.
You know, I mash him up and have to end up with orange suit.
Oh, you know, I'm bust up in face and go to jail go wear orange suit.
Because labor right, me say.
True. But it look like I just, I know today, I from 4 look thing here happen. Because the first time you had him in an argument.
And
then your sister go back to him.
Every time my sister, the two of them break up, my sister gone. So all for my sister, I want to eat that, you know. But right now, me let go certain vibes there, man. But I can mash up my sister up there if you want. Because my sister move like a son. Yeah, made from what you know.
Indeed, yeah, my bush. Well, your sister idiot.
Colouring book, you take this thing.
No, man, you say your sister idiot. The point you may have said no disrespect, you know. You may say no disrespect. Your sister move like him an idiot for choke her. How you may get lick and turn up there so same way, so I love you, lick, you know. And him put you in a problem now. Tell me the truth now. Because watch you now. Me and him not that close, you know, but me and him close because I puppy Dan, man of the match, boy of the match, sorry. But me feel you know, me G, much less you are blood. Your blood. You look, right now, you know, so many people might talk about Mr. Ali shop. So your sister take barely and you know do nothing about it. Cuff, box, boop.
You're all them a something, brother.
Me say me shame man on me.
Everywhere me go, brother.
Yo.
Brother, I told me vex so I don't even want to chat about that.
That's true, man.
I would have the female let me see you tell up this and chat.
Oh, you look slim as?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't really know. I was still in a question. He asked me.
Slimmer than nice, you know, man.
You look nice, it's true. I told me I look for him because I look for him more. Wait a second. I asked me much back. So, how you Miss Rona?
Miss Rona.
I say Miss Rona live in a lane. You want to know who Miss Rona?
Think for a woman don't necessarily Miss Rona, you know.
I don't know. I don't. You look nice, it's true. You look nice, don't you?
You look nice, man. Like when I deal with her.
But you know, woman.
Come like, we don't forget woman from. So I
You
make a thing for your boy can't tell me to go look at a woman.
true. Yeah, trunk still, you know. Yeah, trunk. You know, say you look man and your sister up there get liquor and buff and cooking, you know. Me couldn't think about that right now, you know.
Brother, that's not really my business sometimes. That don't concern me more.
True. But you what me I say still, you ask me as a G if you do something, and me I go do it, because I never do it yet. Although you see the person where you ask me if you do the favor. So me I go up and go talk to him as a man. Me no business if you want Bex. I mean I call him no more man of the match. A boy of the match that. And you are the man of the match. Because you are different your sister, although people are chat about it.
Talk
you see
to
me?
him for me, man.
Me I talk to him. Kind of look good. He up on YouTube, TikTok, social media, everything. Yeah, dog, you know look good. I like me see people are go about it. Okay, yo, them people are just love mix up on YouTube and TikTok and them things.
Boy, me have to tell you, that's a far reach. Come on, me out there, man. Sis, I know you like my hand back, you know. So, you even look even stressed out. Only when you're stressed, you come off me hard, you know. What you do? You ready to do the right? You ready to make up your mind, sis? I left the boy now. Anything, you know, what you're up to, you know, I'm willing to do the right for you, you know, sis. So let me know what's on your mind. If you're willing to left the boy.
Bro, I'm tired of him, bro. I'm tired of everything. I'm tired of the boy. The little big belly boy, I should me go, should me come. Box me down and go and do himself and thump me in my face. Everything me do, him have a problem with. Me do everything for him. Everything when he want me give him. And every move me move, we a fight or something. Me tired of him. Me tired of that shit in a plate, boy. Everything he do me that's bad and me know me not deserve it. Me I go about my business, me have to put makeup on myself to disguise me look because you know stop box me and thump me in my face. Me have black and blue mark all both on my body. Me tired of him.
You know see two things boy take care of. You saying the pusher go and pusher come. That's a wheelbarrow. You see a big black and blues mark in your face. That's a punching bag. You know say boy I love you. Be a ill cheaty boy up there, ill cheater. So me know if you're ready to go for your things up on yard and move out.
Me I go for me thing. You know so me no got nothing up there. Me no have nothing up there. Everything up there I feed.
Since you tell me say more than 5 years are there with the boy and I have nothing up there. Everything up there are supposed to fear. Or half of everything we're up there I fear. Even the tile I want to go dig up right now. The TV, any little thing where you see where you like, you go feed them and come down and so come stay. Or you go and mommy yard go sleep. Why me cannot do that? Every hour, not 3 long me see boy. I me talk to the boy. Boy I come show violence to me. I go make him know he will do me this and he will do me that. And if me forgot say yo, I'm my sister in the deal with and he will mash you up. The boy I bring after me go to the boy calm you know sis. He might bring violence. But he will last me body and he will do this and he. What kind of man are they with?
What?
We are checking me. They say him come burn on my house and what kind of man that?
Bro.
A bad man you take up.
Bro, you are go on now. We come down to one conclusion. Seeing and from when me I think about this, and for you see me reach at your doorway, you must know. Seeing, Tibi, you're my brother and I love you. And one thing me I tell you. The way how me treat you, I'm sorry so I never listen when you talk to me, but was it? You see me? Me have something for do and I will deal with it. Go look about it, see?
Sister, only just tell me say I go deal with you.
Me good man, don't worry head, me go look about it, bro.
I know deal with you and go afterwards I uno that together again.
Bro, I got on time. Just believe no me say who feels it, knows it. Bro, I love him, you know. I love him and I give him enough time for change. You understand? And at time and God, him no plan for change, so me will change.
Alright sis, do what you have to.
Alright. Look more. Love you, bro. Love you, bro.
Love you to me, I mean, sister. You really are. When you feel up somebody will abuse you. You say you're a clown. A circus I need for going up. Hope when my sister change, it's not too late. Why me tell a star?
Someone there go on like he can date his sister. Just a take up his sister problem on his head. Love me, you would.
Yeah.
Yes, babes. There.
Alright.
Yeah, me alright. You alright?
Your face looks so with so much muscle. You tighten up your face off a babe.
Man, me alright, baby.
Your ear won't wash me. I wash your ear for you today. I wash your ear for you today.
Baby,
You eat?
I know just see breakfast and I sip on the counter and I just come in and just smash up it.
Oh.
Baby,
You get something special
baby,
for
you
me
know,
eat.
anytime you touch me, boy, I got just rise up so like a
Yeah,
sun.
that me want. So we can go in the shower, go do your things and wash your ear.
But yo, may I ask you a question? How happen? A Christmas come?
Calm down, babes. You're too ignorant and arrogant. May I try if you get close to you and you're going like, and you know what this me not like? 3/4 of the time when you come and blame me for things and me wrong. And when you go give me bun and me still wrong. And may I try if you get close to you now and me wrong again? May I try if you get close to you because every time we was a fight, me can't get no time to get close to you.
Oh. But hold on. You know, say that you fear for a long time. I know you talk with sense, you know. Every time you wrong, you know, you just say that, you know. Because every time you rub me down and me feel like a money you walk, and I don't know nothing for you, you know.
Me no want no money, B. Me just want to spend some time with you. You don't know when somebody want to spend time with somebody?
But nothing wrong with that, baby, man.
So chill out yourself so far.
Them something them I like, man, baby.
Yeah, just relax yourself. You don't need for you go on all kind of way.
Yeah, but you know, say sometime, I'm sorry for really get arrogant pan you and a boof, baff, looking at your backside. I'm sorry for them something else.
No, it's
sometimes
alright. You
you
don't
blows
have to
up
worry
your
about
face
that.
and them thing then.
That are the past or the future now. Me I try to change.
What have you say? Are you wrong, baby? Are you make my head get mad?
I know. That's why me decide to me I come home and spend some time with you today. Cause all my brother and our business, you know, my mother, my sister, my whole of my friend them, you know, my business like a feed them
Especially your brother.
relationship. And this is my relationship. Me know we can manage it.
Of course, you can manage, baby. No,
Alright.
say me stick on together like super glue. Leave super glue,
a
crazy
magnet to
glue.
steel.
So you say I go and baby, show her badness.
Yeah, me I go wash your ear and bathe you.
That alone.
No,
you know,
no.
and drop his soap so I'm
Anything
drop
else?
in. You to,
Come, anything else.
oh my God. Feel like you may have a cup them. You feel like me can't manage your work.
Me know say you can't manage your work. That's why we are come on.
baby. Why? Nah, tell no lie, I love how babes are treating man. 2 more round me don't gear, but she a boss and she can't manage no more. You know I'm in a ramp with my round them, you know. Ah, boy, I'm gonna give us 1 round alone. Yeah.
Yes,
like
smile.
a slim as.
Yes, smile.
Babe, stop that, man. I might have to pull her back in this. Babes, man.
So me bring it to your owner.
Then I'm my owner.
Babes,
Yes.
me I look for one black blouse. You see me black blouse?
Black blouse in my top left jaw, baby. Just check in there. My top left jaw. Babes, I don't like how you rush me to, you know. I don't like how you rush me because you tell me say you can't manage no more.
Me no rush
Around
you.
3 days now, we don't do nothing, you know, baby. You know, say me a boy, me spend all hours in my bathroom, me a head.
Me know, right? I know.
Babes, I
know
don't tell a
it.
lie. I like how you deal with me still. I love that. Wow.
Yeah, my baby. I'm supposed to take care of you. I'm responsible for you, you know?
You know I'm responsible for you too. But yo, babe, you know say, I'm not broke your moment to do. But you know say, if you tell you the truth, coloring book. Me say I look for me, I see it. And me and him feel a serious conversation, so I'm going to link him and come back. So I so come back, baby, I not take long here.
No, it's alright. I got this. You don't have to rush, puppy, and just take your time, baby, and do what you do. You get what I want already, you know? You
You
start
can
me
get
out
more if
proper
you
so me
want.
good, and I know say you're alright. Because I know me give it to you like hot sauce and everything in I want. No? You don't have to worry about me, baby. Take your time and do what you take all that time. And if you go down the road and cheat, I know you.
I lie them a tell Pam.
And if you sleep out and you come back, I still know you. I got this. I got us. Me good. Me take my time and do a little
Yeah,
cleaning
but
and
somehow
little
if you
straight.
continue living and always live the good moment, you. Because anytime you come to me with nonsense, you know, baby, them things will just get me ignorant, you know. Baby, you see, if we continue to live so, you see, for the next 10 years, baby, me you can have them a good moment, you know, when you listen when nobody say, you know. You know, listen to the knife of the market, you know, baby. You know, listen when nobody say. Because sometimes when they say some things, me not do it.
Alright. Me I give you benefit of the doubt. And now listen to no noise and no market again. Just I go wait for the correct change. You understand?
Alright,
Yeah, me I go just make sure say change correct.
Alright, so come back, baby, so move, you know.
Me
No go nowhere, no go look for your bread and no go nowhere, just stay right just a baby. And rest your body. Me just give you one long working, you know.
Me nah go
I'm gonna come back and give you one more tip in
Tell
night.
you. Take all the time when you want. Just take your time and do
Yeah,
what you
come
do.
on, you rest. So just rest your body,
And that
baby.
me I go do
Come
my
me come in,
face or
I strike again like Lionel Messi.
That you do?
Of course.
Take your time, man. And if you want to chill out with your budget them to have a drink, just hold your meds. Me good. Me I go and chill out till you come.
Alright, me I talk fast and come back. Me no want, you know, you're going. Me so far, man.
But Dave, look here now. You know say your budget always take a drink and you will have sometime. I mean, it's a hurry when you chill out with your budget. I'm just telling you, say me I change that, me baby.
Alright, that
Nah,
me
rush your
like.
thing.
Alright, me so far then. Me I go and build back. Yeah, baby.
Go and enjoy yourself. Look at you when you come home here. Something nice me have feel.
Why? Nah, tell a lie, you know. Like how me and babes are living, you know. So me want me and her to continue to live, you know. I tell her, come like me fall in love with her again, you know. You know.
Yo, coloring book. Yo,
Why pray?
how that puppy done?
There, you.
Well, go and boy, you the man of the match.
Where say all go?
Man of the match. Me say
Oh,
boy,
oh, oh.
slip. So I go on.
Boy, there, you. My foot a come on, you. But me tell you, me hot up back my foot a while ago, you.
What you do? I come in here lane and drop.
Come in a whistle and chop a football match me da play up by you.
Let me see your foot them.
Football match me da play a while ago. Oh,
Yeah, man, them dog shit around your son.
I hear yard in so if you know that you know me, you know. You hear some me live.
Me ain't really smell it still. I look well. Me smell it.
We are talk. Yo, let me tell you this. A fresh, me just done all a fresh, you know. How are you, don't laugh with me, me just done all a fresh, you know. Me and my woman just all a fresh, you know.
Yo, boy,
Why
the match.
you know?
Sorry. Man of the match. Right, you hear me I say now. On a big man level now. Because I don't know why people choose. If you see me at the roadside, I drink one juice about a craving here, and them can tell me them business. Me don't know why people see me at the supermarket and tell me them business and ask me if you carry them business got a post office and me carry got a post office people them cuss me.
How for business that I know?
Alright, let me tell you what I go on now. What me if you start first? You want the good one or the bad one first?
Yo, give me good news first.
Alright, the good one is what day I down at the supermarket, me Thursday I go buy one juice. So I'm going to the supermarket now. I see this woman, but when I look at me, I say, which woman this? Come like me know him, but me I say, no sir. You
When
look
you
strange."
extra me see.
Well, in the reach I say it, but me I go. But
Alright,
anyway,
alright.
and when me look good, me I say, how this? But through the person full of makeup and everything, Jesus Christ, when me look, guess how?
So sound a weird
Wife.
That I see me son down a supermarket there, so.
I see him, me never say, I see him. So when me see me now, I come out the door now, and he slide and he nearly drop. So I try to catch him. You see me and he buck into him and I cry. So I say, why you cry? Boy, I know just say buck into him and cry. So I catch him. So I say, boy, I love Puppy Dan, you know. Puppy Dan a cheat on him, and you saying still love you and give him many chance. Which I know, like I tell you, because you tell me saying I all the time cheat on him and you give a chance, you know.
Yo, but you know me not like though. You know say the girl that deserve a broadboard cross her face though. Eh? Then he might tell me about a true people didn't I line over there making take long. And are you in down there chat too? Me not like when my man tell lie to me, you know.
Me not take off him. Pop it down the supermarket when he full. Cause hear what happen now. The cashier him alone for your work. Cause you remember the man who down at the supermarket. Remember seeing him wife, but his wife strong and big and sexy and look good. But the man come like he have sugar so he lose weight. So he can't angle that. So through him and him husband and wife in a local argument now the cashier have to do everything. So you must have to check out the goods them. So the line in long. So me not take off him. So anyway now. You want the next news now?
Yeah.
Well, the bad news is now your phone not tape.
No man, my phone good man, you know and tape man.
You see your next woman.
Shan, how what happen?
Jesus Christ. What make them give me them a dirty work if you do? Eh? Become like when people come like me a police a walk on and
come like me just fit turn over me yard.
Shan tell me saying love you and you not put the ring on his finger because he talk about you beat him.
Then Shan don't know him place.
He say go slip.
Shan don't know say my side chick. What Shan gone a road I can't talk my business for you. Me tell him say don't know him place in the youth. And that's why sometimes in the upgrade her, you know. You know that style like. That's why I'm in the upgrade her because sometimes he more than a fame.
Put it on. If you want bex, you have two fool women in your life and you treat them fool more than fool. Me done chat. You have to treat the woman better.
Yo, you see as a matter of fact, over me yard me a go and go shot Chelsea in her face, you know.
So what me do? Me just give.
What you mean? You not do nothing. But none of them not fi carry my business come a road. Eh? None of them not fi carry my business come a road. I bet if me that sex Chelsea good in now come tell us me sex are good. But show me I deal with him body in come
me no want hear that.
Eh?
Me see all the youth down the side. At the first you chat to me.
Who that?
The youth say you beating sister. Not true you beating sister.
All the boy they beat me and beat him too, you know.
Or if you beat the
What
big
you mean him come and give me chat? Other day now tell me about what you want. Do you feel me afraid of him?
So puppy that.
You not afraid of him, you know?
You really want beating sister and go beat the big man in brother.
What you mean? Jape him up and cut him 2 bucks. If you go look at woman and come out of me and my woman life.
Puppy Dan. So you not rush me, eh?
Eh? Me no want you tell me nothing neither. Come out of my business.
You don't want you the truth. You beat the woman them the truth. The woman them a good woman.
You have one woman? You have one woman?
Me not have none.
Go look at woman. You know see you live over there and lonely and not none. You just live in my business, so.
Are you hear me a complain? Are you come and me
so you tell me about my business then for? Me know some business there
just
spoiled.
Just a friend like Uno. Uno no like when people tell you the truth. But one thing me can't tell you, so the woman the way you beat, them a go find somebody when I beat them. Them a beat them with love. And you go out of the picture. No come call me next time, you know?
No come tell me nothing more about my business. See it and allow you alone.
Sorry.
No tell me nothing more about my business.
Sorry.
I mean, why you talk to me woman them to you.
Sorry.
I mean, I go over there go box her in her face.
Girl, go box him.
Can't come carry my business a road.
Sorry,
yo, I'll tell him a while ago to me a change.
Sorry.
He still carry my business.
Puppy Dan, sorry.
Yo, you're good there, man. Yo, just say hello to you.
Walk listen, have good woman and no beat them. You get 2 good woman. The 2 of them fool and you beat them and turn them in a race of fool. Lord God.
Tired if you tell the little idiot girl if you top bring me business a road enough. Yo, Chelsea! How the box side are going here, so? Chelsea! Jesus Christ, Father God! Chelsea! Oh my God, the box the box that Chelsea gonna be youth. Chelsea gonna do my bed. Chelsea gonna be dresser. Chelsea gonna city everything. Chelsea gonna youth. I'm a girl there, I make love. I tell her something I go on the road and come back youth. And this girl really do to me youth. Father God help me please. I can't believe you with her. She make good breakfast, give it. And me and her they have sex in her show and me feel like everything good. She check me. I'll come and give her it and drop it like you hot. Yo, me must find this girl and bust up in your face if you like it I go so.
You guys have made it to the end of this movie, Ungrateful Boyfriend. If you don't enjoy this movie, comment and tell me if you don't enjoy. And anything on you like people, don't feel afraid to comment and tell me. Because remember people, I don't know where I do this for. So you just make we know what good and what bad. So big up on yourself and thank you for always support the team them. Color and Book TV and Wrld TV. So big up all the actors and the actresses them. After love, when a short love. Thank you for watching the movie. Big up.